Okay, so this is going to be a quick demo of a factory-built fireplace form. So let's go ahead and add the form to the customer record. It's the factory-built fireplace service report. All right, it's appeared down here. We go ahead and open the form. And if you've seen the video on the masonry fireplace form, this one looks a lot alike. It's just customized for factory-built fireplaces. Up here at the top, you've got your customer info. This wasn't a real customer, and that's why it looks a little odd there. But so then we have, just like in the masonry fireplace, we have drop downs for location, for flue size, whatever, build up beforehand. Afterwards, do they have a cap? Something like that. You can put in the measurements, whether they have any type of gas log in there, inserts in there, whatever. And then we get into the specific questions about the condition of the fireplace. This works just like the masonry fireplace form. For hearth condition, you have comments that are related to the hearth. Hearth has loose bricks, and so we'd want to give that a red X, okay? Because the red X calls something out for attention. And we have things that are specific to factory-built fireplaces. All of these have drop downs. This one's for refractory panels. You can mark them okay. Hairline cracks. The back wall refractory needs to be replaced. The others are okay. And it writes it right in there on the report. Okay. Air circulation grills are okay. Or there's visible rust, or somebody's blocked them or obstructed them with something. All of that's appropriate. For example, chase cover on a factory built, has noticeable rust, will need replacement in future. Over here we should put the red X because we told them that one needs to be replaced. Maybe here you're saying for the chase cover, will need replacement in future, so maybe not the red X there. And then you just fill out all of these, okay? You make some kind of comment for all of those. Cap and spark arresters, okay. Blah, blah, blah. You go right on through the list. Okay. Then you have some comments that you can add in here if you like. These are more specific comments. Things like a new, chase cover, new stainless steel chase cover is recommended. It costs $13.25 installed. Boom, there it is. That quick, you've got your quote. You can put whatever. Some of these. Recommend new mesh curtain for the fireplace. Okay. Those are some of the standard things, so you don't even have to go figure out a quote later on. It's right there on your report. The tech can type in his notes here. But with the drop downs above, that saves a lot of the typing. Log your CSIA number down there, put your date in, have the customer sign it, and you're good to go. If there's a serious defect in the system you don't want them using, you can do this. This fireplace should not be used until repaired as indicated above. It pops it in there in red so it stands out really well. And they can't say they didn't see it. So that's just a quick view of the factory-built fireplace form. I hope that's useful. Let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.